Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Capex program. Now we are on Washington Boulevard and straight ahead is a bridge that is going to be upgraded under the Capex program. The Capex program is a $13 billion program that's going to upgrade 6 main roads in Kingston and St. Catherine. So this bridge is one of the 6 projects. Now, as you can see, this is Washington Boulevard. It's 3 lanes on this side, but the 3 lanes merge into 2 to go over the bridge. So there you can see it's now 2 lanes. And then as you go over the bridge, it goes back to 3 lanes. So Washington Boulevard is a very busy road. So it was decided to upgrade that bridge on this side from 2 lanes to 3 lanes. So you no longer have to merge. And as you can see, it's 3 lanes on this side and 3 lanes on the other side. Now the bridge on the other side of the road is already 3 lanes. So it's just the bridge on this side that's going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 3 lanes. Now, work on this project should start in the 2024-25 fiscal year. So, as we said, the Capex program is a $13 billion program that involves upgrading 6 main roads. So the roads are Arthur Wint Drive, and that project will include South Camp Road down to Deanery Road, Grange Lane, which they're going to be expanding from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, and the widening of the bridge. The widening of the bridge along Washington Boulevard, which is the road we're on now. And then they're going to widen East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And they're going to build an entry into Portmore from Mandela Highway, which is basically a ramp from Mandela Highway into Portmore. And then they're going to the corridor from Nagahead to Brayton, including a part of the Hellshire Main Road, will be upgraded. So we will keep you guys updated on all these projects. And just to make sure everybody is on the same page, the Capex program is a $13 billion program to upgrade 6 main roads. 6 projects basically. But there is another program called the Spark program, which is a $40 billion program to upgrade over 2,000 roads in Jamaica. So there are 2 different programs. Now, under the Capex program, the project includes road works, drainage works, potable water, sewer line upgrades, traffic management, road safety improvements, and the installation of street lights, underground ducts for fiber, and underground ducts for fiber optic cables. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, let us know what you think about these 6 projects. We will keep you updated on them from start to finish. Alright guys, have a good day.